Hi there, it's Igor Originovic. I've received so many messages from all of you who tuned in to our series on enhancing DaVinci Resolve with external AI solutions. The most common questions have been, where can I find these tools? And can you teach us how to create them? Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. You now have the opportunity to learn how to seamlessly integrate OpenAI GPT-4 with DaVinci Resolve. Mixing Light has just unveiled the first part of this incredible two-part video tutorial, but there's even more to be excited about. Mixing Light is a premier online training resource with a vast library of remarkable tutorials and articles. They've got an exclusive limited time offer just for you, a 15% discount on your subscription. Don't forget to grab the coupon code at the end of this video, but let me show you what this tutorial looks like first. In part 1, I walk Patrick Inhofer of Mixing Light through the fundamentals of Resolve and OpenAI APIs, and we create a straightforward AI chatbot. Then, in part 2, we dive into crafting a Resolve script that harnesses the power of GPT to generate a summary of your Resolve timeline based on the dialogue content. Not only that, we take it a step further and demonstrate how to translate Resolve subtitles into a foreign language using this remarkable technology. So, if you're ready to unlock the true potential of DaVinci Resolve with OpenAI GPT-4, use this exclusive 15% discount from Mixing Light to supercharge your creative journey.